Leaky pipes? Clogged drains? No hot water? When plumbing problems strike, you need a fast, reliable, and professional team to get things back to normal. Here in Henderson, Nevada, Kingdom Plumbing is your trusted local expert for all things plumbing. From emergency repairs to routine maintenance, our skilled plumbers are ready to serve you 24/7. We specialize in leak detection, drain cleaning, water heater repair, pipe replacement, and so much more. No job is too big or too small. At Kingdom Plumbing, we take pride in top-notch workmanship, fair pricing, and outstanding customer service. Need expert plumbing services near you? Call Kingdom Plumbing today or visit our website to schedule an appointment. Can you help with water heater repair and installation? Absolutely. We specialize in water heater repair, maintenance, and installation for both traditional and tankless water heaters. If your water heater isn't producing hot water or is making unusual noises, we can diagnose and fix the problem quickly. Do you install and repair water filtration systems? Yes, we offer water filtration system installation and repairs to improve your home's water quality. If you're concerned about hard water, chlorine, or contaminants in your water supply, we can recommend and install a system that meets your needs. Are your plumbers licensed and insured? Yes, Kingdom Plumbing's team consists of fully licensed and insured plumbers, ensuring that all work meets local codes and safety standards. We take pride in delivering high-quality, reliable plumbing services in Henderson, NV. Where is Kingdom Plumbing located? We are located at 1489 West Warm Springs Road No. 110, Henderson, Nevada 89014. Our phone number is 725-900-4591. Visit our website, www.kingdomplumbing.com/.